If we stop for a moment to think of what peace really is, we understand peace to be a coexistence of differences. But somehow that doesn't seep into our brains. We think that peace is making the other one like you or having to become like the other one. And equality is not sameness, it is differences. And for us to respect these differences, we need to come from this sentient intelligence. We call it from the heart. Call it from your soul self. In our world, in the way we live it today, that is not possible. Which is why we, and I am calling to you, we need to get together and change that. And after I am gone, my students and you among them will be there to keep continuing it little by little until we build a cathedral of light upon this earth and everyone can be free. And it is possible. In your innermost heart, you know that is true. So let's get to work together